Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Kali Liunx 2024.4, that is the latest version on VirtualBox. Go to Kali official website, that is kali.org. Hit enter, then click on download or get Kali, both are same. Click on either of them. Then see here we have the installer images, virtual machines, and here we have many more options. But if you scroll down, see here we have the Kali Liunx 2024.4, or just click on installer images. We got the same page. If you want previous releases, you have to click on this Kali Liunx releases. Click on here. See here we have the all the versions. Okay, so select x86 64 or Apple Silicon. So select x86 64 and click on this download. This is direct download and this is by using torrent file. Either is fine. So click on this download. See, download started. Go to download. See here the size is 4.1 gigabytes. I have already downloaded Kali Liunx 2024.4 ISO file. Okay, I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Click on VirtualBox. See, I have one virtual machine. To create new virtual machine, click on new, click on machine and select new or new, both are same. So click on new, then provide the name. I am giving virtual machine name as Kali 2024 for VM. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default one. If you are okay with this one, it's fine. If you want to separate folder, then select drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Select the folder, then ISO image. So we have to select the downloaded ISO image by clicking on drop down and select other again. So it is there in this download. So select it, then click on open. See, once you selected, type as selected Liunx. Okay, and subtype. See, we don't have Kali. So you can select Ubuntu or Debian. See, Debian is there. Okay, you can select either of them. Okay, because Kali is of type Debian or Linux type operating system. Okay, then select version as 64-bit. Then hardware. By default, it has selected 2 gigabytes. I am giving 4 gigabytes. It is up to you. Number of processes 2. Then hard disk, I am giving 100 gigabytes. 100 gigabytes because by default it has selected 20 gigabytes. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on settings or right click on it, settings, or select it on machine and select settings. All three options are set. So if you are okay with all the settings, so click on start to install the Kali Liunx 2024.4 on VirtualBox. Click on it. Let me maximize it. Close this one. Use up and down arrows. See here we have the options like graphical install, advanced options, accessible, dark contrast, installer menu, or install with synthesis, with switch synthesis. Okay, I'm going with graphical install, so select it and hit enter. Now select the language and click on continue. Select your location. See, you can select location from this list. If your location is not there, then select other. Okay, then click on continue. Select keyboard language, American English. Now we have to provide the name for the host. So I'm giving Kali 2024 for VM. Later also we can change the host name. Click on continue. If you have an existing domain or if you want to create domain, you have to provide the domain name. I don't have anything, so click on keep as blank and click on continue. Now we have to set up a user. So I'm giving user full name as R2 schools. Then this will be the username. If you want to change, you can change, or it's fine. Click on continue. Then provide the password for this user. Then click on continue. We have to select the time zone. See, it is listed all US based time zones because we have selected country as United States. Okay, I'm okay with the Eastern, so click on continue. Partition is I'm going with guided use entire disk. Then click on continue. Continue. All in one partition. So click on continue. See, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on, then select this finish partitioning and write changes to disks and click on continue. Write the changes to disks and click on select yes and click on continue. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel for more videos. See, now we have to select the desktop environment. By default, it has selected XFCE, but if you want Genome or KD Plasma, you can select. I'm not going to select any one of them, then click on continue. It is up to you. See, installation is in progress. This may take time. I am pausing this video. See, install the grub bootloader to your primary drive. So select yes and click on continue. Select the drive device and click on continue. See, installation is completed. Also see here, installation is completed, so it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into the new system rather than restarting the installation. Okay, after that we have to click on reboot. Okay, so we have to remove the ISO file that is attached to this virtual machine. So go to virtual manager, then click on this virtual machine, then go to this optical drive. It must be empty. If it is mounted, you have to click on here and you have to remove from this virtual drive. Okay, so no need to do anything, just go to virtual machine and click on continue to reboot. Now provide the user that we have created, then provide the password and click on login to log into the Kali Liunx. Double click on this virtual machine, again maximize it, we will get the full screen. See, we got the full screen. Okay, so click on this applications. See here we have the different section for different tools. Okay, so now open terminal and let me increase the font, file, preferences, then click on change, then increase the font. I'm going to give it to 15 points. Click on apply, click on OK. See, font has been increased. Let me increase the terminal size also. Now verify the version of the Kali Liunx that we have installed. More /etc os-release. See, we have installed Kali Liunx 2024.4. Okay, Control L. The first step after connecting to Kali Liunx is we have to update the packages. So give the command sudo apt update and upgrade the packages. Sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. See, it is going to upgrade to 424 packages, removing 0 and installing 31. And the space needed is 672 of this available space. Type for confirmation and hit enter. See, this may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Kali Liunx 2024.4 on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.